Hello students, myself Mehul Korea. So in today's session we have to discuss one chapter, that is kinematic. And in kinematic there is two types, velocity analysis and acceleration analysis. So in today's lecture we have to discuss velocity analysis. Okay. In velocity analysis we have to discuss one topic in this lecture, that is rubbing velocity at pin joint. Okay, so we have to discuss this topic in this lecture. So rubbing velocity at pin joint, so the link in a mechanism are mostly connected by means of pin joint. The rubbing velocity is defined as the algebraic sum between the angular velocity of two links which are connected by pin joint multiplied by the radius of the pin. Got it? So that is the definition of pin joint. There is a two link in this mechanism, link AO and link OB, and rotation of both the links in opposite direction. Clear? Omega 1 and omega 2. So consider two links OA and OB connected by a pin joint at O, shown in figure. Clear? You can show in figure link AB, link AO and link BO connected at point O. Let omega 1 is equal to angular velocity of link OA or the angular velocity of the point A with respect to O, and the omega 2 is equal to angular velocity of link OB or the angular velocity of the point B with respect to O. Clear? Where R indicates the radius of the pin, small r indicates the radius of the pin. So link connected by the joint. Now according to the definition, rubbing velocity at pin joint O. Clear? So rubbing velocity is different for both the link. Clear? For the first link, omega 1 minus omega 2 into R indicate, means that is a simple equation of velocity, that is velocity V is equal to omega into R. Okay, but when both the link move in same direction, at that time the equation of rubbing velocity, that is omega 1 minus omega 2 into R, if the link move in the same direction. Clear? When both the link move in opposite direction, clear, at that time the equation of rubbing velocity, that is V is equal to omega 1 plus omega 2 into R, if the link move in the opposite direction. Okay, so this is the simple rubbing velocity. Here rubbing velocity is nothing but it is the simple equation of velocity, that is V is equal to omega into R. So next topic we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.